Hello, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm making a video on this heater. This is basically the 1.5 year update, and right now I'm running off 100% used motor oil. I got it running good. I've been messing around with the settings for a while here, and it's pretty hard to light, I'm not gonna lie. So what I do is right when the fuel pump kicks in, I take the intake off and I put a torch in there. Don't light it. I'm just putting the propane up to help it, because on engine oil this thing does not heat up fast enough for the controller to register, so you get an error. You just need this for the extra heat. Once the glow plug turns off, remove the propane and it'll run. I did change the settings quite a bit over here though. We go here, 1, 6, 8, 8. So the first setting I put to 1.7. Second, I put it to 4.2. Stock is 5.2, but it was flooding on me. There's more energy in used oil than diesel actually, so you get more heat, more life out of one tank. 1500 for the RPM on the first setting, and 5,000 for the other. And it seems like it's running great on these settings. Great way to recycle your used oil. And these are 100% cleanable. I did wear out the glow plug a bit running it so much and figuring out that I needed this, but I didn't break it, so here we are. Let's see, right now I'm running about 60 or 70% RPM, 90 Celsius on the output, 92. The exhaust, like 140. Now I can ramp this guy up. Hold on, I'll be right back when it's on max to get you some temp readings. Okay, it's been running on maximum for about a minute now. Let's check those temperatures. So the exhaust, I'm seeing about 160. And the output temperature is a little bit lower than it was before actually, but it's flowing a lot more air. 87 Celsius. Awesome. Well, thank you for watching my video. This was just basically a confirmation for anybody who's wondering if they could run the diesel heater on used oil. And yes, you can. It may take a couple of tries to light it, but you'll get it.